rearrange my room again.
Place the star, basement smoke, but I'd only trip over my tongue. What I give to have a jacket pockets, jagged throat, settle in on champagne rooms. I wanna break and tear and cut off all my hair. Only this once, I swear I've suffered. I'm feeling insecure, insatiated, bored. Come on, let's see who's more unbothered. 17 and sorry, I don't know nobody.
Okay, this is how it looks when you walk in. I don't know if I'm gonna leave it like this, but I really like this wall now. Look at that. It just looks like a garden paradise. We got a little chair. I don't know if I'll leave the chair there, but the bed's like in the little corner now. It makes my room like humongous, which I do have a big room, but this makes it seem extra big. And then I put the armchair there because I don't know where else to put it. And it's kind of a vibe. I don't know. Because then when I'm sitting here, it's just like, it's just me and my desk. So maybe that'll be better for my working habits. A little tapestry. Then I really organized all this over here. Look at all those. Now I can see all my essential oils. Hold on. Okay, the time is 1:33 a.m. September 30th, 2021. I studied today, which feels pretty good. I feel productive. This kind of goes with like the theme of today, the theme of this video, I guess, which is not learning, but it's becoming more self-sufficient. But I had Chipotle for dinner, so I didn't make dinner, but I did make dessert. So I guess that's not really self-sufficient. I just mean I'm trying. This is so funny because in my last video I was like, I'm trying to convince myself that I don't need to have my life together all the time, which is true. I'm convincing myself that I don't need to have my life together all the time, that this idea of adulthood and who you should be as an adult is a complete creation of your own brain, and that it's okay to be figuring it out when you're in your early 20s, and it's okay to make mistakes, and it's okay to accept that you still feel like a child because you've been in this 4-year safe space in a way, and suddenly you're out in the world and now you're learning how to navigate the world, and that's scary. But learning how to cook is one of my self-sufficiency goals for adulthood, and learning how to cook well and healthy. So we're trying to do that. We'll see how it goes, but that's what we're trying to do this week.
Doesn't matter what I say to assure. She craves my happiness and devalues hers. She does not know what love is. Spits at her own image. Bella is not beautiful. She looks at her arm, 6 scars down her wrist. It's then when she questions how it came to this. I used to cherish life and love my own skin. When will I learn to feel the light again? My soul must be polluted. I've been persecuted. I need to care for my own knows the joy of dancing rain. She learned to find the hidden beauty in pain. It's got me addicted, the feeling that her love gives. Bella is so beautiful. Bella is so beautiful.
Soon after the sun is up, before the day is over, I will be yours. Loose laughter softens up tension in my shoulder. Let's take a walk, let's go get lost. You know I can't go home from the north side pavement, and of course I gave it. You know I can't go home all alone, all alone. We could stay home, but we might regret